How to use Zoom AI Companion for summaries. So the very first thing that in here you need to do is ensure that Zoom AI Companion feature is turned on your account administrator on your profile, right? So for that, you can go back and in here tap on your profile right here. So after doing that, here you'll be able to get into your settings, right? So simply tap on settings. Then from here, what are we going to do is simply tap on meetings, and in here you'll need to find your AI companion feature and make sure that is enabled. So if you are up to date, you'll be able to see that option. Make sure that that is enabled. Go back and simply get back into your meeting, and in here you will be able to see the option of AI companion on the toolbar. So simply tap on the more option right here, tap on tools right here. If you are the host, you'll be able to see host tools. Tap on that one, and in here you will be able to actually see the option of AI companion, right? So all you need to do is simply tap on it, and then from there you'll be able to use your AI companion for summaries. After the meeting concludes, look for an automated email or check the AI companion tab in your Zoom application dashboard in order to view, edit, and share the generated summary and action items. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.